Hello friends, welcome to GK Palmistry and Face Reading channel. If you are watching this video for the first time, please watch all the previous videos also for better understanding the subject. In this topic, we shall see about quadrangle. This quadrangle is the space in between the heartline and headline, which is rectangular in shape. This is in different forms in different palms. Some have broad from Jupiter Mount to Mercury Mount. Some have narrow gap between heartline and headline. Some have many lines in the quadrangle. Some have no lines other than fate or sun lines. Some does not have that lines also. Some have narrow at the starting of Jupiter Mount and as go on it becomes broader. Some have broad at the Jupiter Mount and becomes narrow as it goes on to the Mercury Mount. Some have defectless heartline and defectless headline and even shaped quadrangle. Some have stars in quadrangle. It is excellent sign. Now let us see one by one the above said all combinations and its prediction. If the quadrangle is broad, then such person mind is broad, especially in religious views. They have broad ideas. They think more with mind, generous. They will not believe in superstitious. Their view on religious and morals are too broad. If the quadrangle is narrow throughout, the person has narrow ideas, small thoughts, more religious, believe in superstitious. This is more remarkable in religious people. If you observe practically, you will find the difference. If many lines in quadrangle, such people take more pressures and tensions. They have irritable nature. They are restless. If few lines, then the above said is reduced to certain extent. If the quadrant is smooth without lines, they have evenness in mind, calm temperament, they will not worry for unnecessary small things. They show loyalty in friendship or affection and they are intellectual. Along with this, the fate line and sun line is also there means very good fate indicates. If the quadrant is smooth without lines, even no sun line and no fate line, then such people have no destiny. They behave whatever comes to mind. They does more help to others. They will not think more about themselves. They thinks others first, like charity. When the quadrangle is narrow at the Jupiter Mount and becomes broad, then such people are narrow during their initial life, and as the lives go on, their mind becomes broader further as life goes. When wide at the Jupiter Mount and become narrow under the Sun or Mercury Mount, then such people becomes narrow-minded as the lives proceeds further. I mean, they change their views as the lives go on. When the space in quadrangle is narrow in center, like waist shape, it denotes prejudice and injustice. Prejudice minded means strong, unreasonable feeling of not liking or trusting somebody or something, especially when it is based on their race, sex, or religion. If the quadrangle is much wider under the mount of sun, then that person is careless about their name and or reputation. If the quadrangle is much narrow below the sun mount, it denotes intense anxiety to the opinion of the other people, what the world thinks about them, how to maintain reputation, etc. They care about the status for others. When the quadrangle is very excessively wide, then such people are careless in thoughts and ideas, and unconventional nature means they does not behave in the same way as most other people in the society. They have different thoughts. If the star is present in the quadrangle, then it is very good sign. The mount you have to see where it is present. If star is present in the mount of Jupiter in quadrangle, then pride and power they have. Pride means they have more self-respect. They like more power and they will get more power also if other lines satisfy. If the star is present on the mount of Saturn in quadrangle, then they get success in the world material matters. They become more rich. They get all physical comforts in life. It is very lucky sign to have for getting materialistic things. If the star is under the mount of sun inside the quadrangle, they get success in fame and high position through arts and art related careers. If the star is under the mount of sun and mercury in quadrangle, then they get success in science and research field, and also business field also. It is also very lucky scene. Okay friends, how is the video? If you like, please like and share and subscribe the channel. If you want to contact me through telegram link given